A huge congratulations to the 2024 Matrics. And for those of you that didn't make the marks for you to get into the career that you wanted, please do not get into nursing out of desperation. I've had so many of you DM me, hey, my marks and so, I don't meet the minimum requirements to get to university. What can I do? It's going to make your life miserable to get into a course that you didn't want in the first place. A lot of people get into nursing and then drop out because they never wanted nursing or because their marks were not good enough for the course that they wanted to go into, and now they're just choosing it as a backup. Or if you really wanted to go into nursing, but you didn't meet the minimum requirements for you to enter a university setup, rather rewrite your maths, English, and your life sciences so that you can get better marks so that you can get into university. Because if you go via the route of now trying to do a higher certificate in nursing because your marks are too low, when you choose to become an RN, you're going to have to start at the beginning of first year of the 4-year program, or even if it's a 3-year program. And they will still require you to have the appropriate marks to enter those courses. So you would have wasted a year doing the higher certificate in nursing, and you're still going to have to rewrite your matric marks so that they're appropriate for you to either get into the diploma degree in the university. So, no matter how much you want to run away from rewriting your metric marks, it's going to catch up with you in the future because there is no bridging course for you to move from the higher certificate into the diploma, or even from the diploma into the degree. You have to start from first year. And for you to get into first year, you need to have the right metric marks. Please do not get into nursing out of desperation, because you are the same students that are going to drop out because nursing is too hard. It's not what you expected. Or you guys become really horrible nurses because you got into nursing out of desperation and trying not to do anything for a full year. So rather take a gap year and you focus the full year just on 3 subjects. That's all you have to rewrite. 3. And if your English marks are okay, then just rewrite your maths and your life sciences. And if your life sciences is okay, then just rewrite the maths or whatever combination you have. Rather rewrite so that you have a better chance of making it. You have the whole year just to focus on those 3 subjects. And the minimum requirements that you need is, if you're doing pure maths, you need 50%. If you're doing maths literacy, you need at least 60%. English needs to be at a 50%. And life sciences need to be at a 50% or higher. So obviously aim for higher, because the higher your marks, the better your chances are of getting into nursing. But I beg of you, for some of us that really love our career and we're doing the best that we can to educate people on how to get into nursing, do not get into nursing out of desperation. So that's my loving advice to you. Just rewrite your marks.